Hello and good evening. What's going on, people?
Yeah.
What's going on, lovely people? Y'all look good? Ladies, I see girls. I'm looking at you. Is that your man? His face got so serious over here. Don't talk to niggers on the fucking street. I swear I'm not racist. I promise. Honestly, okay, maybe this much. What's going on, y'all? Y'all feeling good?
Yeah.
So, there's a lot of people here that know me that are here, so they expect me to do a good job. That's crazy. I'm trying to be cool and not look at them, so I'm gonna go for that. There's a lot of things going on in this world, and people, I want us to take a second to reflect on what's important, you know, with all the tragedies and everything that's happening. I want us to take a second to realize the most important thing that's happening. Scandal's back on Thursday, people. Let's get serious. Yo, Scandal fans, you know what it is, right? Yo, let me tell you something. What? You don't know about Scandal? Yo, what is your life about right now? If you don't know about Scandal, yo, leave. Yo. You have 2 seasons and a bunch of love scenes to get up on. Let me tell you something. This is how Scandal is. Everybody that watches Scandal knows this. At the end of the episode, this is everyone. Week to find out what the fuck happened. Let me tell you, I can be on fire with a heart attack in a burning bush. Jesus will call my name, Kwaku, it's time to come home. This is all I'm telling Jesus. 1 second, I'm about to find out what's going on with Fitz and Olivia. After I know who told everyone about her dad, then we can go home. After that, I'm not going to you, Jesus. I need a second. So, I'm African. I'm the second one. So, like Sharif said, it's not a marathon or a fundraiser yet. But if you do want to donate, Christian Children's Fund, hi, his name is Kofi. Actually, it's so offensive. Look, it's not wrong. It's offensive, but it's not offensive because I laugh. That's just funny to me. Because I'm like, first off, no human being has flies on their face and feel comfortable. You know what I'm saying? It's always like this one thing. This is Anna. She hasn't eaten in 6 years. Flies. Now, every African knows if there's no food, a fly is delicious. Now, a lot of people say Africans are very... See, I love that y'all love that. Y'all are all racist because you think African eat flies. That's what it is. Why, hello there, madam. I love big girls when I see them get outside. Look, they are loving and caressful. That's not even a word, but fucking rolling. You know what? This is the thing though. Big girls don't like big men. Did you know that? Women don't like big men. Some girls know. Like, think about it. Do you like big men? Do you? See, she didn't go say she likes skinny African men. You do. Don't lie. You like skinny guys, right? But here's the thing. I'm big, right? Think about it. How did I get big? I eat a lot. By you again. Sorry. Excuse me, people. My tongue is so big it falls out sometimes. Let me go ahead and put that back. Think about it for a second. Look at you. I'm joking, but I'm not playing. Look, if you don't believe me, 647 put it in your phone. See, I'm gonna tell you how to get a girl's number. Put the number in your phone. And then when you put it in the phone, call me. Right now. God, I'm stupid. I'm so glad my mom didn't come to me. Kwaku, that's why. Eating pussy? Is this why I brought you to Canada? Every day, women, vagina, look at your face. Right? You have this infection, look like a baby. That only happened that one time. Scarborough girl. You know what's funny? All the Scarborough girls got mad, but they were like, all y'all non-Scarborough girls, you're not that better either. Okay? I'm just saying. What'd you say? I just see what? Y'all having a full conversation when I'm out here? Look at me, still not looking. Everybody direct your attention over there. We all want to be in your conversation. What are you guys talking about?
The bathroom.
Two white boys at a comedy club. Talking about the bathroom. Really? Really? Should I get him? You know what? It is Sunday, and I did go to church. Lord bless you and forgive you by the blood of Jesus. Alright, so yo, check this out, a question. Ladies, out of Caribbeans and Africans, who is smoother in terms of men? Who is more smooth? On the count of 3, I want to hear you. Which one's smoother, Africans or Caribbeans? Let me know. 1, 2, 3. And the one Jamaican is still going on. Jamaica, yeah, you know. Get me that big man thing, whatever you say. I will. Listen, a lot of people feel that Africans are not smooth or we're not good in the club. That is a lie. There's a breed of African out there that is aggressive and special and scary to all of us. This breed is known as Nigerian. Like, I don't know, because they're deadly because they have money and they don't know the word no. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Went to a club, I'm like, you know what? They keep talking shit about, you know, Nigerians, I gotta go see what's up. So I went with one of my boys to a club. Roll up to some girls, he's like, Quicks, see that girl over there? See how fine she make? I'll get her and marry her today. Like, fuck it, show me. He rolls up to her, white girl, he's like, hey, Chrissy, you're so pretty. Her name is Amber. He's like, oh, you and your girls, if you are hungry and thirsty, please, let me buy you a drink, so you can enjoy. Waitress, can you get them a Dom Perron? And you're hungry, okay, let me get you food. That horse de veau, can I have some horse de veau? You mean hors d'oeuvres? Yes, you are worried about my English. Horse de veau, give me the tea to stop that. Now, girls got happy, they got their drinks, they're drinking, they're enjoying it, not realizing that was their engagement party. And y'all ladies don't know, because the rest of the night, they will follow you around the whole club being your girls. Then at the end of the night, what do? It was so nice meeting you. I'll see you later. And that's when the true man comes up. Hey, where are you going? So you want to drink me, my Dom Perron, and eat me, my horse de veau. It's my words. It's your face. Give me my tin back. If you want to leave me, you have to bring back all the Dom Perron and all the horse de veau back in the bottle. You have made me feed you that wildebeest over there. Look at it. Like 6 people in one. And then this one over here. Look like a starving Ethiopian. I've given all my money. It's 15 days she hasn't eaten. Now you want to leave me. You will marry me today. Next day, what do you see? Chrissy, also pretty, is married to Agbebamon. Ladies and gentlemen, that is my time. I appreciate y'all.